Okay, today we're going to review something that my son's going to use. It's a mini fridge, Danby designer model from Amazon, and he needed it for his room, so we thought this would work. Let's unbox it and see what it looks like. And Landon, why don't you come over here and help me out? Okay, let's look inside. Has plenty of room on the door here for drinks, and also inside, it doesn't come with a freezer, but we didn't need a freezer, just a little fridge. Okay, it looks like got some bottle and can holders here, and adjustable shelves. Just take these out. Manual, energy guide, and that's it. So let's look at the back. Okay, temperature control is right up on the back. Just spin that up to get colder. There's a little drip pan down here, and that's about it. Let's look at the bottom. Okay, it has a pretty long 5.5 foot cord, and the back of the cord is flat on that side, so it'll fit up against the wall a little bit easier. And then on the bottom, we have an adjustable foot right here for the angle, and 4 feet here. So let's bring it up to Landon's room and see how it works and looks up there. All right, Landon, you got it in.
Yeah.
Wasn't too heavy.
No.
It looks good.
Yeah.
It's running right now. It's pretty quiet. Let's listen. Yeah, you just got to put your drinks in there. All right. Good deal.